Hi, I put together a little video on Facebook Marketplace and how easy it is to use and a little bit of instructions of how to use it in case you're interested and you want to know a little more about it. Enjoy. If you have Facebook, you can make an account on Facebook Marketplace and sell items that you want to get rid of. These are some examples of items that I'm trying to get rid of. They're just different things around the house that have just been gathering dust. So I decided to make an ad. I took lots of pictures. I try to be specific of what the item is, what it's used for, the dimensions, how tall or how wide, any of that stuff. And the pictures tell a lot about what the item is and as much detail as possible. And you set your price. If somebody is interested in it, they send you a message asking if it's available or that they want to pick up the item, and you arrange with them to meet at a hopefully public place. A good example of a place to meet is a store parking lot that has high traffic area. Even in some towns, the police stations have actual meeting places for people who are selling items that have cameras on them to keep you safe. If you can, don't let them come to your house, and don't go to their house also if you can avoid it. Sometimes it's a big item like a furniture item that is too hard to move, and sometimes you need to have them come to pick it up. But again, just make sure you're safe. So the person arranges with you a meeting place, a time. A lot of times I will tell them what kind of car I have, and they tell me what kind of car they have so that I know what I'm looking for. You meet, you exchange the item for money, and that is as simple as it gets. It's the basic idea of an online garage sale. People see the item, they see pictures, and they say, oh, that's interesting, I want that. And then they arrange to meet and to get it. It's a good way to get rid of things that are lying around the house. It's a good side hustle to give you a little extra money. There have been weeks where I have made up to $100 doing this for different items depending on how much the items are worth. Even if I'm making $20 or $30 for the week, it's still gas in the car, dinner out. So this can add up to help you in little things. It won't get you $1 million. I don't think it will. We'll see. But it can get you a little extra cash. So it's a good little side hustle. And it gets rid of your unwanted items that you have at home.